If you want to transfer videos from your DJI Osmo Action 6 into your iPhone, well, it's super simple. First of all, you have to open the App Store and just simply get this application and connect your camera. If you don't know how to do this, you can find video on my channel where I'm showing you step by step how you can easily do this. It takes like 2 or 3 minutes. Now, when you open this application, you just have to be connected with your camera. So you have to just make sure that the camera is turned on and that you have enabled Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Now we have to wait for a few seconds until we will be connected. It will connect like that every time. And now we have to go for the album. And here you can find all of your records, your photos, your videos, or for example, the recents. But of course, let's go for the video. Now, if I want to get this video straight into my iPhone, I have to open it and click on the export button in the right bottom corner. I can pick the resolution. I can add some watermark if I want. Click to export the video. And now you just have to wait for this, and after a few moments this specific video will be available on your phone, and you can even take a look on the rendering process, because in my case I actually add here some HDR effect and put some filters. And that's basically everything for this video. I hope you find it useful.